Hey there, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we're diving into the world of quadratic functions. Specifically, we'll be exploring one of the key concepts, finding the vertex. Alright, so let's start with the basics. A quadratic function is typically expressed in the form of, let me write it over here, f of x is equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. And the vertex of the quadratic function is the highest or the lowest point on its graph, depending on whether the parabola opens upwards or downwards. How do we determine if the function is opening upwards or downwards? By looking adding at the value in front of the x squared. If a is greater than 0, the arms of the graph will be opening up. So you will have something like this. If a is less than 0, the arms of the graph will go down. So if a is greater than up, you have a minimum, which is the lowest value, minimum value. And if the a is less than 0, you will have over here the maximum value. This point is called vertex. So there are different methods to find the vertex, but I'm going to show you the easiest one. It involves using a simple formula, which is x equals negative b over 2a. With this introduction, let's read the question and then we'll solve it together. Identify the vertex, axis of symmetry, and minimum and maximum value of the given quadratic function. F of x is given as negative 2x squared minus 20x minus 46. First of all, since let's determine the values of a is the number in front of the x squared, which is negative 2. B is the number in front of the x, which is negative 20, and the c is the constant, negative 46. So, since a is negative, we will have a graph going down. The arms of the graph will be going down like this, which means that we will have a maximum value. So let's plug in the points, the values in the formula. The x coordinate of the vertex is negative and negative 20 for the b over 2 times negative 2. Negative times negative is positive 20 over 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So this will give us negative 5. So the point is negative 5 for the x value. But in the coordinates, to find the vertex, we will need to find x and y value. So x is the negative 5. To find the y value, you will use the given function, and we will look for f negative 5 in there. So let's write in here, negative 2 times negative 5 squared minus 20 times negative 5 minus 46. So f negative 5 is, negative 5 squared is positive 25 times negative 2, negative 50. Negative 20 times negative 5 is positive 100 minus 46. So f negative 5 is negative 50 plus 100 is positive 50. 50 minus 46 is positive 4. Then the y component of our vertex is 4. So we just found our vertex. This is the coordinates of the vertex. You've been asked to find axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry means is the x coordinate of the vertex. So you will just write the axis of symmetry. Symmetry is x equals -5. On -5, the parabola will be reflecting, and the minimum and maximum value, the minimum, this is f -5, will be r 4, which is our maximum value. Max value is maximum value is 4. So we found the given values determined here, and there you have it. So by using this formula, you can easily find the vertex of any quadratic function. Remember, practice makes perfect, so be sure to try some examples on your own. You can pause the videos in our channel and just solve it on your own. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.